Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the stunning off-grid tiny house with a unique, iconic modern design that's going to blow your mind. This beauty is built on a wooden platform and surrounded by a lush greenery, giving it a peaceful, serene vibe. With its perfect blend of wood and glass, the exterior is just breathtaking and don't even get me started on the views. There's a staircase leading to the front door and the backdrop. Mountains are and 3 4 days. Ready to see it? Let's check it out. Okay, let's start with the layout. The first thing that hits me is just how open and the space feels. I mean, even though it's a tiny house, it doesn't feel cramped or tight at all. And you know why? Um, those large glass windows. Yes, those large glass window. They let in so much natural light, giving the room is this beautifully airy feel. You got to enjoy the outside world without leaving your cozy home. The combination of wood and glass is just stunning. The wood adds warmth and texture, while the glass keeps things feeling bright and spacious. Now, let's talk about the kitchen. Even though the space is small, it's so efficient. It's sleek, modern, and totally functional. I love the way it's been designed. Everything you need is within arm's reach. The clean wood finish and glass elements really carry through the theme of this home. And check this out, there's open shelving above the counter, so you have easy access to your essential while also keeping everything looking neat. I can see myself cooking in here and still enjoying the natural light flooding through the windows. Okay, moving to the loft bed area. I'm honestly in love with this setup. The bed is tucked way up there, giving you that cozy little retreat while still maximizing the space below. The staircase leading up is a great addition because not only does it serve as the perfect way to access the loft, but the stairs also give this extra storage space, which is always crucial in a tiny house. I can totally see myself curling up in bed, gazing out of those windows and just enjoying the tranquility. Okay, now over here in the lounge area, we have got a small but super functional space. It's perfect for relaxing after a long day or having some company over. I'm loving the modern lounge table and the chairs. Simple, yet really stylish. The clean lines and natural materials really plays into the overall aesthetic of the house, and there's just this sense of peace in the room. It feels like it's meant for people who really value comfort and simplicity, which is exactly what this tiny house is all about. Now, this part is really interesting. Take a look at the angular walls and ceiling. The sharp angles give the room a really unique look, making it feel like modern architecture masterpiece. It's not your typical flat ceiling. There's something really dynamic about the way it's been designed. It feels open yet cozy at the same time, and I think that's a huge part of the charm of this tiny house. And I've got to mention how clean and fresh the white ceiling looks. It adds to the overall sense of brightness and space, making everything feel larger and more inviting. Okay, so let's take it all in for a second. What we have got here is a tiny house that doesn't feel tiny at all. The wood and glass combo creates such an inviting atmosphere, and the angular design of the walls and ceiling adds a really striking modern touch. It's slick, it's functional, and it's a space that truly embodies the spirit of off-grid living. Everything you need is right here in one compact area, but it doesn't feel like it is missing anything. It's a perfect balance of simplicity and style. Okay, um, I have to say, I'm seriously impressed with how well they've utilized every inch of space here while still creating such a beautiful, functional living environment. It's definitely a place I would love to call home. What do you guys think? What do you think, guys? Could you live in a tiny house like this? Drop your thoughts in the comment. Okay. All right. Here we are in the bathroom, and I'm already in love with how open and well this space feels. It might be small, but it doesn't have that cramped feeling you might expect in a tiny house bathroom. First off, the combination of wood and glass is just gorgeous. The wood gives the room its warm, natural vibe, while the glass lets in a lot of lights, making the space feel so much bigger than it actually is. Honestly, it's the perfect balance of modern design and nature. Let's talk about the bathtub for a second. This is not just any ordinary bathtub, it's a statement piece. It fits perfectly into the bathroom overall design. The sleek modern lines and the fact that it's surrounded by wood and glass make it feel like an oasis in the middle of nature. I can totally imagine coming home after a long day and relaxing in this tub. Okay, looking out through the windows and just enjoying the peaceful atmosphere. Seriously, the bathtub alone make this bathroom feel like a spa. Now, over here we have got the toilet and sink area. Both are modern and super minimalist, which I absolutely love. There's no clutter, just clean lines and a design that keeps everything simple and functional. The sink is sleek and stylish, and the mirror above it really opens up the space, reflecting all that beautiful light coming through the windows. The wood panel on the walls continue here, giving the space that cohesive, natural aesthetic. Now, one of my favorite parts of this bathroom is the angular wall and ceiling. The walls have this really cool, sharp design and ceiling, well, it's square and clean, which gives the whole room a feeling of balance and symmetry. I don't know about you. I don't know about you, but I'm all for that modern architectural vibe, and it definitely shines through in this tiny home's bathroom. Even though the space is compact, the design tricks your mind into thinking it's so much larger than it really is. Speaking of space, let's not forget about the lighting. The room is so well lit, and thanks to those beautiful large glass windows. There's nothing better than having natural light fill the space, especially when you are surrounded by all this lush greenery. The window makes this bathroom feel like it's part of the outdoors while still giving you the privacy you need. Plus, the design keeps the light flow evenly, making it bright and welcoming all day long. So, wrap it up. Wrap it up. This bathroom is a perfect example of how you can have style and functionality in a tiny space. The wood and glass elements bring in nature, while uh, the angular design of the walls and ceiling adds a touch of modern architecture. You have got a bathtub, toilet, sink, and mirror all set in a space that does not feel cramped but instead feels like a small sanctuary. It is the kind of bathroom you would want to relax in every day. Okay, I'm honestly so impressed with how they made this bathroom work in a tiny house. The design is just brilliant, and I could definitely see myself spending hours in here enjoying the peaceful atmosphere. What do you think? What do you think? Is the kind of the bathroom you could live in with in off-grid tiny house? Drop your thought in the comment below, and I would love to hear your thought about this unique modern bathroom design. Okay, guys, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now, only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This does not mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and synchronized layout within the exterior and also the interior. However, this design is inspiration. This design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you useful ideas and useful inspiration. So if you enjoy this reaction, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video, and don't forget to comment in this comment column below. And thanks for watching, and wait for my next video. Have a good day.